That's the end of trains. How about you start a blog or find some room for Christ in your faithless, shallow life?
You can't take away my hobby if I am the hobby.
Easy there, Korvo. That ray makes plastic libraries.
And now it will make me a god.
Holy shit! A 1929 CCR double XL triple steam liner!